did not know that. So I got this bread machine from my sister-in-law and my brother for our housewarming. So that's what we're doing. So come along, okay? So we have 2 cups of blueberries, 2 cups of raspberries, and 4 cups. We're gonna have 4 cups of strawberries. Right now they're just soaking in there. So I'm gonna put some more, but the strawberries are gonna be cut. So we need 4 cups of that. So if we go over, we go over. It's not like it's not gonna be eaten, right? Okay. We're there. We have our 4 cups of strawberry. And now let's get this into here. Look at the colors on this. This looks really good. We have all of our recipe here and the machine that we need. So this is our fruits, and this is the recipe book that came with the bread machine. So it says put all of the ingredients as listed. So we're gonna put this in here. Next thing we need is our sugar, and it calls for 1 cup of sugar. And we're gonna pour that in there. If this comes out good, and 1 tablespoon of pectin, and we're using the ball pectin. And I have my tablespoon here, and we're just going to sprinkle that in there. Just trying to mush this stuff even, flatten it out. And we have the bread machine, the paddle in there. And we need a teaspoon of lemon juice. So fresh squeezed lemon. So that's a teaspoon. And now we need to close it. Do the program, and we're going for the jam program, which is 9. And then we press start. 15 minutes left. I opened up the container, so it said every 15 to 20 minutes scrape down the sides. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's just taste it. I'm trying to see if it's like gelling already on here, if it's thickening. And it is good. It's good so far. It's good. It's good. It tastes fresh. It tastes, yeah, it tastes fresh. I like that. We can go with that word, fresh. Let me show you guys. I don't want to put a knife inside of these because these are canning jars that that can't be reused. So we have some pieces here, some like this, but they're softened. I'm trying to pick it up like this piece of strawberry. So that would be so good on a fresh bread, on just fresh homemade bread, right? Or even store-bought bread, and you just, and look at the blueberry. Right, that would be so good. So what I'm thinking is that it has a little foam on top of it, but I'm not really concerned about that. Look, oh, this is a nice big piece of blueberry in there. It has a little bit of foam on there, but I'm not too concerned about that. You know, you can scoop that off while it's inside of the bread maker, but I'm not too concerned about that. So we're going to sit this on the counter and let it cool, and then we're going to cover it. And the instruction says that you can keep it in your refrigerator for 3 weeks. So this will be very delicious. I know. The smell is giving me everything. Okay. Thank you so much for coming along with me on our adventures. I mean, seriously, we're doing some new things. We are discovering some new things and making life a little easier for us, because I was just in the supermarket today and my daughter was like, oh, we need some more jam. And I'm like, well, that's why we're here. We are going to pick up some raspberry, blueberries, and some strawberries, and we're going to make some jam, because I have pectin at home, I have sugar at home, and I have fresh lemon at home, right? And that's what we did. Look at this big container. That's awesome. That is awesome. Until I'm able to actually can the fruits that I have in the freezer, which, you know, we have to clear out that freezer to make room for the harvest that's coming in the summer and in the spring and things like that.